And so we have to kind of change our perception of what engagement looks and sounds like.
So I'm thinking about, so just in general about the topic about, what does it look like when kids are not engaged in the classroom? And so some of what we saw were, students spinning in chairs and, tapping their pencil or maybe placing their head down or even putting headphones in, which is a great indication for our high school students or our middle school students. But what does that look like on the elementary side? What do our students that are coming to school and they're sitting in their chairs and they appear to be paying attention? How do we know, how do we measure their level of engagement or disengagement? But I'm just thinking, how do I know when my students are disengaged? So, like, if I'm in a quiet classroom, does that mean that my students are engaged? Do I listen for, does chaos mean, or I say chaos, does a louder classroom, does that mean students are disengaged because they're too loud? What are some signs of some things that would show me if I'm teaching kindergarten, if I'm teaching sixth grade, eighth grade, or 12th grade? What are some things that kids show me outside of spinning in their chairs that would also be indications of disengagement or highly engaged students? Like, what would that look like?
Michelle, I have this term called butts in the air. And basically what that means for engagement is that the students are leaned in to conversation, talking to each other, and their butts are literally off the chair, and maybe not real high, right? But they're leaning in so much that to the task and into the conversation that they're literally coming off the chair, or the chair is leaning forward with them. So